No.
Okay.
Once a movie has been made, once a movie has been made by the director, the actors, everything, it's filmed, production, all done, it's up there. That's when I know that the movie has started. Now the movie will go on. Now I say, oh, I don't like this scene. I want to change the scene. Sorry, too late. It's already done. I don't like the hero. I want to change the hero of the movie. Sorry, too late. I cannot change the movie after it's done, frozen, and up there on the screen, right? Exactly like that is your dream. You don't like the dream tiger. You don't want a dream tiger chasing you. You'd rather have Alice's rabbit chasing you in Wonderland. No, but you cannot change the tiger to a rabbit. No, not possible. No, not possible. So recognize just the way my dream cannot be changed. It's not in my control. Similarly, can you go on mute, please? There's a lot of background sound. Just like the dream cannot be changed, similarly, the waking state, even though it is my projection, I cannot change it. I am not in control. It cannot be changed. And this is your own experience. How much ever you don't like something, you say, I want to change it, I want to change it, I want to change it. Years you are behind it. It doesn't change. And some things you don't even wish for them to change, and suddenly you're showered with lots of gifts and things. It has changed. You lie to yourself when you say, I made this effort, that is why this changed. Big lie. Stop lying. Accept the truth. It was not in my hands. It happened. I did not do it. I did it is the disease of the ego. I never do anything. I cannot do. I am simply the witnessing space. I lie to myself. Number one lie, I am this body mind. Number two, this body mind is in control and can change the projection. And number three, if something coincidentally changes, then I take the ownership of it and say, see, I did it. Similarly, if something changes for the unpleasant, I say, oh, I did the wrong thing. I blame myself. Both are wrong. Both I did it are wrong because you cannot do. You're not the doer. Verse 6 has happened in question and answers only. I'm not the doer.
Didi, the reason for my questioning is in the previous question when you answered everyone projects their own world, one project as a murderer, one project as maybe a spiritual person. So when this projection is happening, so is that the projection is already done even for the so-called future kind of thing, or is there a chance that once we the deconditioning starts happening and things like that, when you start seeing the truth, that the projection also changes with the state of your mind? That's what I meant. Do we have a possibility of having that change is the question.
That is also already decided. That is also already a part of the script, and you see it. You just see the script unveiling in front of you. You did not have the time to attend this Advaita session. You thought that you are going to watch videos and come up to speed. You somehow landed up, for the session. How much ever you think, it never really happens according to that way. You think this will happen. I will wear the black shirt today. You notice your body goes to the cupboard after its shower, picks up the white color shirt. Where's the white shirt? It's not in your hands only. You think you are doing it. You are making it happen. And you can change the white shirt to the black shirt. But no, it's too late. The body has to run to office now. No time to change back to the black shirt. How much ever you wanted to wear the black shirt? No, but you wore the white shirt today. Actions happen on their own. Then I make up a story. Oh, I didn't have the time, no? Otherwise I would have changed to the black shirt. So I worn the white shirt today. It was easy to access. You make up stories, fake lies. You tell lies. You have to just wake up. Ashtavakra says, stop lying. See the truth. This just happened. Oh, this just happened. Oh, this just happened. And I know at the moment it happens. I never know before. I cannot know before. Yeah? Because there is only a now. There is again and again only a now. Only a now. Shailaja, please post this now. Now experiment, self-exploration meditation today. And this is very important for them to recognize. Now, there is only a now. There is nothing but a now. In my direct experience, there is no future. So will the future change if I change now? There is only a now. We don't know about the future. Yeah? Drop Dvaitam concepts again and again to Advaita. This will open up as we go deeper into Ashtavakra. But it's very important for you to become very clear about every word in these 5 verses. Every word.